Hi guys, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you that this iPhone button is not working. So you need to I searched that I need to change it, but I have a temporary solution. I find out the temporary solution. Just push the power and just pull it sideways. Then click the setting. Let me put my passcode. Hold on a minute. Okay. Now, as you see, this button is not working. Yeah, home button is not working. Now, what we're gonna do? Just Apple created one screen button that we will use it. Go to General, right there. General. So after that you go to accessibility, right there. Click that one. Then you will go. Let me check. As you see, assist view touch right there. Right, this is the one. Then go ahead and open this button. It should be the green here, the corner. This is the one. Just tap. Tab, yeah. Let's open now. This, as you see, this button right there. And what are you gonna do? You go and right there, single tab. Just tap it. Then as you see, I just check mark there the home. See, this is shows that home. You have to check mark that right there, blue one. And yeah, everything fine now. You can use it, this button now. As you see, wherever you pull it, it's gonna go. Now tap it. See, then you go home. And this is now it's your button. This is not working, and this is gonna work, which Apple created that. Let's for example, let's go to where? Let's see, move to this. Let's go to Google again. Google. Okay, now you don't want to stay anymore in this on this page. You click all one is not working, and this guy Apple created that is screen button. Just tap it. See, you're home. Okay, this is just temporary. I mean, of course, I will not like on the screen that button, and I will change this button in the future. Maybe not now, but I find out that this is working very well. For now, you can use it. You go ahead and Craigslist, and you don't want to stay there. Here the button. Just use this button. Sorry, use this button. Just type it right there. You're right there. So enjoy the temporary screen button that your main button is not working. This is the helpful. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe, and with another video. Yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.